Number 1. Powerful DuroMax engine. The XP15000DH is powered by a DuroMax 713cc DuroMax V-twin engine. Plenty of power, with 15,000 peak watts, 12,000 running watts. This unit can handle heavy loads, from lights, a refrigerator to a home air conditioner, high amperage power tools. Dual fuel technology. This generator runs on gasoline or propane, giving you the freedom, flexibility of fuel choice. MX2 technology. With DuroMax MX2 technology, get the maximum power from each of the 120-volt receptacles. Choose between operating the generator at both 120V, 240V simultaneously. Number 2. 12,000 peak watts, 9,500 rated watts, gasoline 10,800 peak watts, 8,550 rated watts LPG. Dual fuel capability allows you to choose between gasoline, LPG fuel sources, great for emergency situations or natural disaster, as LPG may be more readily available and easy to store. The 457cc single-cylinder, 4-stroke, air-cooled OHV engine, with electric start protected by a durable powder-coated frame. A 8-gallon fuel tank gives you up to 12 hours of continuous operation at half load when running on gasoline. Number 3. Watts remote start with included key fob, electric and recoil start, up to 11 hours of run time on a 6.6-gallon fuel tank with fuel gauge. Features 2 GFCI, ground fault circuit interrupter, 520R 120V, household duplex receptacle, 1L1430R 120, 240V twist lock, receptacle. All outlets have rubber covers for added safety. Plug and play comes a remote start key fob, 12V battery charger, oil and oil funnel, a tool kit, and a user's manual to get you started right out of the box. Minimal assembly required. Number 4. Advanced open frame inverter design, 30% quieter, 25% lighter than a traditional Champion 7,000-watt generator. Plus, this inverter only produces clean power, and economy mode saves fuel. Electric start. The convenient electric push button start includes a battery, quiet technology, and extended runtime. 72 dBA is great for your next project or home backup, with 8,750 starting watts and 7,000 running watts, for up to 5 hours runtime on gasoline. On my RV installed multiple times, it was 116 degrees outside though. Number 5. I've had this for 2 years now. I only use it once a year, but each time, it is for 5-6 days of nearly continuous use while camping and burning. Flip side, it takes about 2-3 pulls to start it up. It is a bit noisy, but from what I've seen and heard, all generators at this level are noisy. I've been very happy with it and its reliability. It's very easy to maintain. Mine works well. I'm at 7,000 feet, had since starting issues when in Death Valley it would run well, but when I tried to run the AC